Okay, wait, so before I go, my package from MSBLUE just got here and I just want to unbox it. This video is partially sponsored by MSBLUE. I've been really into jewelry recently, and I've talked about this a lot on my channel as someone that works from home. Having really nice daily pieces really help make me feel elevated, make me feel ready to take on the day. I feel that since I've started wearing jewelry, I just feel like I have it together a little bit more, especially when I'm sick. So something that I've really wanted to focus on is my bracelet stack. On my left hand, I have a watch and a bracelet that I wear every day. And I felt that, I don't know, my right wrist feels like it needs some love. MSBLUE sent me two beautiful pieces. So here's our box, MSBLUE. And then inside the box, you get this little envelope with some info. Customer satisfaction is our highest priority. This product has been inspected and approved by a member of our quality assurance team. Scan the QR code to join our community for exclusive discounts and stuff. Enter to win free jewelry. So it comes with this QR code here. MSBLUE stands behind the quality and craftsmanship of our jewelry. We offer a free lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects on all MSBLUE fine jewelry. That's awesome. Covers the full range of standard jewelry care, including polishing, product tightening, and rhodium plating. That's awesome. I will have a discount code for you, however, in my description box below. I don't have the details as of now. I will paste them right here, and also in the description box, as I said, with the jewelry I'm about to try on, link down below. As I mentioned, I got two new bracelets. I feel like they're most known for their rings. Like, they have a lot of beautiful engagement rings, gemstone rings, men's rings, eternity rings, wedding bands. They also have some necklaces, bracelets, and rings that are gorgeous. So, okay, let's open this one first. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, stunning. This is their Forever Together Clover bracelet. There are 5 little clovers here. It comes in 18 karat gold, yellow gold vermeil. It comes in white gold plated silver, and it comes in 18 karat rose gold vermeil. I got it in yellow gold. I do mostly yellow gold with some white golds, but mostly yellow. And then inside each of the 5 Clovers, we have a lab-grown diamond. If you get natural diamonds for just 1 carat of a mined diamond, it takes 125 gallons of water. This takes 0 gallons of water to make, and it has 100% of the sparkle. This is beautiful, and I think can have some real fun layering her in a nice stack. Also, someone that likes mixing metals, I like diamond yellow gold because I think that mixes well with white gold. Basic thing. But then we have this beautiful open bangle bracelet. I don't have any bangles, and I've been wanting a bangle for a really long time, and when I saw this one, I was like, this is the one for me. This is their round and emerald lab grown diamond open bangle bracelet in 18 karat gold vermeil. It also comes in white gold plated silver. It's a lab grown diamond. It's 7 inches in length. It's super easy to put on and take off. Also will look great with a few of my stacks. And you know, a lot of like gold vermeil looks too yellow. Personally, I like cooler tone yellow gold. This is a nice cool tone yellow gold, in my opinion. So each one comes with a little bag to store it in, as well as a jewelry cleaning cloth, which I'll also probably clean my glasses with. I've got to get my life together now.